I think the cooperation we can do it has been very good for us, and it's perfect. Yeah, the workers I think are very good. The most of them know what to do.
I will highly recommend We Can Do It for their professional teamwork, and we are very satisfied with the workers they send to us.
We used We Can Do It for mainly for bricklaying in this project. They provide us with bricklayers and also with a couple of carpenters. It's been going really smoothly, both the contact we had with main office and with the guys.
The guy from We Can Do It has been very good so far, and I'm very happy he's had the right attitude and competence for the skills so far.
We focus on innovation. Our recruiter bus goes around Poland to recruit top talent on the market.
Ja jestem monterem karton gipsów, ale również układam płytki, szpachluję, maluję, co trzeba. W tej firmie jestem akurat już 1,5 roku i myślę, że są ze mnie zadowoleni. Staram się jak tylko mogę.
Jestem bardzo zadowolony ze współpracy z We Can Do It. Na pewno będę rekomendował tą firmę, a warunki, w których mieszkamy, są naprawdę dobre. Jedne z lepszych tutaj, z którym rozmawiałem z kolegami, w których oni żyją. My mamy naprawdę super.
Współpracę z koordynatorami również oceniam bardzo dobrze. Zawsze, gdy zadzwonię z jakimś problemem, odbierają i wszystko jest załatwione jak najszybciej.
The best thing we can do with this is that we always have people in time, and we have good skills people at the working sites.
The cooperation with We Can Do It have been very good. The contact with the workers' bosses and the leaders of the company, and also with the workers here on the construction.
We are very satisfied with the guys. They are willing to do. Most important is that there is a willing. They will do the job, and they have good skills for the particular job we do. I can warmly recommend We Can Do It because I have just a great experience with it.
Yes, I can recommend We Can Do It for cooperation, yes.
Yeah, I can recommend We Can Do It. It's been perfect for us so long during this time.
We had a cooperation with We Can Do It for 1 year now. We had on several projects. Hopefully we can have them again.
We are very happy with it. It looks really nice. Really, the houses looks really nice.
Yes, I can recommend We Can Do It, and I think we can use them in the future as well.
And that is why you should use our services. We can do it!